Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give book back answers for 3rd standard in science, and that is in lesson 4, science in everyday life. Okay. So in the previous class, we saw about the lesson 3 book back answers. Now I'm going to give you lesson 4 book back answers now. Then those who have the book, you can take page number 113. So first you can see that is Roman number 1, true or false. Roman number 1, true or false. Okay, children. The first is, when we boil water, bacteria are destroyed. So is it true or false, children? Yes, true. So the answer is true. When we boil water, bacteria are destroyed. Okay, children. So what will be the answer? True. Okay. And the next is, idli is cooked by the process called steaming. Yes? Yes, it is true. So, idli is cooked by the process called steaming. Yes, it is also true. Idli is cooked by the process called steaming. True. Next, thermometer is used to measure pressure. So it is false. Thermometer is used to measure pressure. So what will be the answer, children? Yes, false. Then next, refrigerator helps to keep things cold. Yes, it is right. So it is true. Refrigerator helps to keep things cold. So it is true. Okay, children. So next we will go to the 5th one. Garlic relieves hiccups and nausea. So it is, what is that? False. Yes, garlic relieves hiccups and nausea. So this is also false. Okay, children. The next 6th one is, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Yes, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So it is true. Okay, children. So I'll read it out once again. You can also read along with me, children. So it will be easier for you to read. When we boil water, bacteria are destroyed. Answer is true. Idli is cooked by the process called steaming. True. Thermometer is used to measure pressure. False. Refrigerator helps to keep things cold. True. Garlic relieves hiccups and nausea. False. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. True. So once again I'll read, children. When we boil water, bacteria are destroyed. True. Idli is cooked by the process called steaming. True. Thermometer is used to measure pressure. False. Refrigerator helps to keep things cold. True. Garlic relieves hiccups and nausea. False. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and it is true. Okay, children. So next we will see the Roman number 2. That is, circle the names of the things from which idli is made. That is Roman number 2. Circle the name of the things from which idli is made. How they make the idli. What are the things they use to make idli? So they have given many ingredients there, like rice, groundnut, then chili, black gram, red gram. So these are the ingredients. And what are the ingredients they used to make idli? They have asked. Water, salt, pepper, sugar, and fenugreek. Okay, children? So these are the things there. And what are they use? That is, to make idli, first they use rice, okay? Then black gram, water, salt, and fenugreek. That is Vendayam, okay? So rice, black gram, water, salt, and fenugreek. So these are the things used to make idli. Okay, so many ingredients are given there, like rice, groundnut, chili. This rice, groundnut, chili, black gram, red gram, water, salt, pepper, sugar, and fenugreek. So these are the things given there. In this, you have to find out what are the things made to make idli. That is rice, black gram, water, salt, and fenugreek. So understand this, children? Now, next we'll go to Roman number 3. That is, match the home appliances and their functions. That is, match the home appliances and their functions. Okay, children? So in that, so first one they have given pressure cooker. So what picture is there? Pressure cooker. So for pressure cooker. So pressure cooker, so many match that's given there, points are there. So what will be the answer, correct answer for that? Cooks faster. So pressure cooker cooks faster. Okay, children? Then next is refrigerator, that is fridge. Okay? Refrigerator, that is preserves vegetables. Preserves vegetables. Next, that is water kettle is there, that is boils water. Kettle, that is boils water. Okay, children? So the next is grinder is given there. So for grinder, for grinder what you will write? That is makes batter of food grains. Batter means maavu. Okay, makes idli maavu, dosa maavu solran liya. So makes batter of food grains. Okay, children, makes batter of food grains. Then next is coffee maker. So coffee maker, in that itself you can find out with the question itself. Coffee maker means that it makes coffee. Answer is there, makes coffee. Okay, children, so this is a match the following. So first they have given pressure cooker cooks faster, then refrigerator preserves vegetables, then kettle boils water, grinder makes batter of food grains, then coffee maker makes coffee. Okay, this is match the following, children. Next, so once again we will see match the home appliances. Home appliances means that we use the home, things which are used in homes and their functions. Okay, so how do they work? So pressure cooker cooks faster, refrigerator preserves vegetables, kettle boils water, grinder makes batter of food grains, coffee maker makes coffee. Okay, children, this is the answer. So take down in your notebook, children. Don't waste the time. Take down in your notebook neatly without making any spelling mistakes and learn. Okay. So next we'll go to the right or wrong. So turn the page, children. Those who have the book, turn the page. Page number 114. There you can see Roman number 4 is there. So Roman number 4. Put tick or cross in the box. Okay, this is a side heading. First, touching electrical appliances. Touching electrical appliances. Okay, children. So for this is what is correct, you will put tick, or it is wrong means you will put the cross. So touching electrical appliances, is it good or bad? So it is bad. You should not touch the electrical appliances. So here they have given touching electrical appliances means you have to put wrong. Okay, cross you have to put into mark. Next, playing with sharp objects. Playing with sharp objects. Okay, children. So this is also cross. So with the sharp objects, you should not play, right? Like knife, scissors, blade. So these are the sharp objects. So you should not play with that. But they have given that playing with sharp objects. So it is also wrong. That is, you have to put cross there. Then next is playing in kitchen. So it is safe to play in kitchen, children? No. So you should not play in the kitchen. So this is also wrong. So you have to put cross there. Okay, playing in kitchen is not safe. So you should not play in the kitchen, right? Next is keep safe distance from the gas stove and cylinder. This is correct. So you should be away from the gas stove and the cylinder. Keep safe distance from the gas stove and the cylinder. So you have to put tick there. This is correct, right? So you have to put tick mark. Okay, children. So what is that? So put tick for it, and if it is wrong means you have to put cross in the box. So first one is touching electrical appliances. It is wrong. So you have to put cross there. Then number 2, playing with sharp objects. So already I said sharp objects means like knife, scissors, blade. So these are the sharp objects. So it is safe to play with the sharp objects? No. So you have to put wrong there. That is cross. Then playing in the kitchen. So playing in the kitchen is not safe, children. Okay, you should not play in the kitchen. So but they have given here playing in kitchen. So you have to put wrong. That is cross there. Then the last one is keep safe distance from the gas stove and the cylinder. So you should be away from the gas stove and the cylinder. They have given you. So you have to put tick mark there. Okay, children. So this is now. So these are the 4 Roman numbers, children, I have given. That is Roman number 1, true or false. Roman number 2, that is what are the things made to make Italy. And then Roman number 3, match the home appliances and their functions I have given. And Roman number 4, which is you have to put tick whether it is correct or wrong means you have to put cross there. So these I have given, children. So the next class we see answer the following and answer in a word or a sentence, children. Thank you. Okay, children. Now we'll continue this with the question answers, children. So I said that we will continue the next class, but we will continue now with the question answers. So that is Roman number 5. Answer in a word or sentence. Okay, children. So first question what they have given here is, how do you store fruits and vegetables for a longer period? So what is the question? How do you store fruits and vegetables? How do you store fruits and vegetables for a longer period? For a longer period. So this is a question, children. So what is the question? How do you store fruits and vegetables for a longer period? So the answer is, we store fruits and vegetables for a longer period by preserving them in a refrigerator. So this will be the answer, children. So can write now. We store fruits and vegetables for a longer period by what, children? By preserving them in a refrigerator. So refrigerator is nothing but the fridge, right? So you say refrigerator for the fridge. So what's the first question, children? That is, how do you store fruits and vegetables for a longer period? So read along with me, children, when I read. We store fruits and vegetables for a longer period by preserving them in a refrigerator. So what is the answer, children? We store fruits and vegetables for a longer period by preserving them in a refrigerator. Okay, children, this is the first question. Now let's see the next question. That is, name the instrument used to measure temperature. So name the instrument used to measure temperature. They have asked a question. So what is the instrument, children, which we use to measure temperature? So you can say, what is that? So it's a very easy answer. So what will you write for that? Yes, what is the answer? Thermometer. So what is the instrument used here? Thermometer is used to measure the temperature. So you have to find out the correct answer for that. So answer is, thermometer is used to measure temperature. It's a very easy answer, children. Meter is used to measure temperature. So what is the question I said? That is, name the instrument to measure the temperature is a question that asked there. So answer is very easy. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. So half of the answer is in the question itself, children. So it is very easy for you. Only one word you have to learn, that is thermometer, and is used to measure temperature is the answer. Next, they have asked, how is idli prepared? How is idli prepared? So already we learnt about this, so it will be easy for you. So what is the answer, children? Idli is prepared by steaming. Yes, correct. Idli is prepared by the method of steaming. Okay, children? By the method of steaming. So once again I'll read out, children. So how is idli prepared? Idli is prepared by the method of steaming. Okay, children? The next, what is the use of black pepper? So what is the question? What is the use of black pepper? Melagu. Okay. So what is the use of black pepper? The question is asked. So what will be you write the answer? So black pepper is a great remedy for the cold and cough. So black pepper is a great remedy for cold and cough. So this is the answer, children. So for what pepper is used? For the cold and cough. So, and the next question is, so what is the next question? Which kitchen medicine is called the poor man's antibiotic? Which kitchen medicine Which kitchen medicine is called the poor man's, okay, poor man's antibiotic? They have asked a question. Poor man's antibiotic. So this is a question. So what will be the answer, children? Yes, which is a poor man's antibiotic? Garlic. Yes, garlic is called the poor man's antibiotic. It's called the poor man's antibiotic. Okay, children. So these are the 5 questions for you. So I'll read along with me, children. So how do you store fruits and vegetables for a longer period? We store fruits and vegetables for a longer period by preserving them in a refrigerator. Name the instrument used to measure temperature. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. How is idli prepared? Idli is prepared by the method of steaming. What is the use of black pepper? Black pepper is a great remedy for cold and cough. Which kitchen medicine is called the poor man's antibiotic? Garlic is called the poor man's antibiotic. So, we have finished this 4th lesson, children. So, I think you have read along with me. It will be easier for you to learn. So, write in your notebook clearly and without making any spelling mistakes and learn, children. Thank you.